Good morning. We are live in Lion's Head in Solaris this morning for the GoPro Mountain Games. I am here with Sarah Frank. Good morning. And we have Ashley Prill here with us. And Eric is over in Golden Peak out on an epic morning adventure. How are you today?
I'm wonderful. How about you?
Good. So this is so exciting. I always feel like Saturday is the big day of the GoPro Mountain Games. So tell us a little bit about what everyone has in store for them today.
Yeah, I feel like today is really the day. If you wanted to get out and see everything this event has to offer, today's your day, right?
It's the meat of the event.
Yeah. It's already kicking off. I walked by the fly fishing casting comp when I was here. That's up at Nature Valley Adventure Village this morning. They moved to the I Bridge later today. You can catch them there. We've got SUP going on this morning, kayak going on this morning. Right above us, Highline shows will be taking place and basic clinics down here for slack.
That's such a favorite. I mean, it's just fun for everyone in the whole family to check out the slack lines, give it a try, as well as I am always so wowed at the skills of these athletes.
It is incredible, and it's incredible to watch just the different disciplines as well and the various athletic skill that comes with it, right? You know, the kayakers, very different than our World Cup rock climbers that are also going to be hitting the wall today in the finals.
Absolutely. And you know, another big favorite of mine about the GoPro Mountain Games is it doesn't matter if you're a professional athlete, if you're a little kid, or if you're just an adult who likes to stay in shape. There's an event for everyone, and you as an amateur can compete along with the professionals, correct?
Absolutely. It's actually kind of the mantra of the event, right? We like to call it Joes versus Pros. It's really fun to have kind of your elite athletes out there running with our local families, and today's a great opportunity to do so. The family mud run happens today. We have two ways of it. We have our family kind of get the kids out, have fun, and then we also have All Mountain Madness is what we call it, as the second wave, and that's just kind of come one, come all, get out and do a really fun run on the mountain.
I love that. And it's so motivational for, I think, kids too, to be able to do a mountain bike race or a run and know that some of the professionals are, racing, and it's just very motivational for them to keep at it and push themselves. And hopefully they'll be back as one of the professionals in a few years down the line, right?
Yeah, and it's really fun to see our pro athletes are so great about taking time with those kids and taking time that, there's no ego there. They're just the nicest people and excited to share the sport. So you'll see probably one of the cutest events you'll see today. We have our Strider bike race, the TIA Kids Bike Race will be taking off very shortly. It is one of our favorites, one that you really like I said, probably the cutest moment of the mountain games aside from some of maybe Dogtown down in.
That is adorable. Now, Sarah is with the Vail Valley Foundation, which is sort of like the behind the scenes. Tell us just a little bit about how many volunteers and how long it takes to put together an event like this.
Yeah, absolutely. It's fun to be a part of a local nonprofit like the Vail Valley Foundation, but it's so important that we rely on all of our partners, ranging from, title sponsor to GoPro to Vail Resorts, Town of Vail, U.S. Forest Service. It's really a team effort that starts Monday, essentially, to plan for next year.
Wow.
And all of our volunteers, we have, I believe, about 250 plus working on the event this year for us.
That's crazy. And then I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, you guys have over 30 different types of events going on, don't you, overall throughout the 4 days of the GoPro Mountain Games?
We do 12 different disciplines and 30 plus events, not to mention all kinds of free music happening all day long and into the night.
Yeah, that kicks off at 7:15 tonight at Ford Amphitheater at the Amp, correct?
Correct. Yeah, we have Band of Heathens kicking it off, and then Citizen Cope is our highlight tonight.
That is such great music. So come on down, check some of this out. The nice thing is it's all free for spectators, and it's such a fun family event. Bring the kids, come out to one of the clinics. So come check it out. Stay with us. We're going to have a short break, and we'll be back.